Hey, good morning guys. Force Thrust Institute of Maintenance. We're getting ready to head to our favorite salvage yard down in the south end of Dallas. Got our old 401 loaded up along with 310. We've recovered all the parts we're going to be able to use for the school. Come along with us. Hey guys, we're out at Air Salvage of Dallas, dropping off our airplanes. These airplanes are going to be fully recycled. It's a green business. They can take every last remaining part and get it back into the air again. What's not used is turned into your next soda can.
This is Air Salvage of Dallas. We're in Lancaster, Texas. My name's Lucky. I've been in aviation. I've been a pilot and a mechanic for 58 years. And this is the investigation center basically for the South Central region for our area. If an airplane has an accident, involved in an accident, has an incident, goes down, most of them will come here. There's one other place they'll go to in Clinton, Arkansas. But the majority of them come here. We store them for the insurance companies. And we do the investigation as to why it happened, what caused it. And the whole purpose of that is to try to establish a baseline on what's causing accidents and where we need to focus on safety. So if an airplane goes down, it comes to Air Salvage of Dallas. The FAA, NTSB, insurance adjusters, they will attend, aircraft manufacturers, engine manufacturers, and they will attend and we will look at them, analyze what happened. If they're runnable, we'll run it, do a test run, and determine the cause of the accident and try to do something to prevent it from happening again. That is the sole purpose of Air Salvage of Dallas. So it's the investigation center. We have used parts, we sell parts, look at airplanes, buy salvage, things like that. But that's basically what we do. We've been in business since 1974, and we're still doing it.
Well guys, you heard it from Lucky. That's what happens on the investigation end. But what happens after the FAA is done looking at the aircraft? The aircraft comes to the yard here where it's fully disassembled. Every nut, every fitting, every flight control is taken apart and repurposed to be used in other aircraft on the market. Thing to remember is, even the most produced aircraft of all time, the Cessna 172, only had 44,000 examples ever made from day one to today. So it benefits the industry to be able to recover the parts from aircraft that have fallen from the sky and bring them back to flight condition again. I'm Forrest Benson, we're Thrust Institute of Maintenance. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here. Till next time, guys.